What's up, Danny gang? So today I will be unboxing my new Series 6 Apple Watch. Y'all, give me a break. This is my first unboxing video, so it's not perfect, but I did want to come share this video with you guys because y'all know I wear my Apple Watch every single day. So I really needed to upgrade because the Apple Watch that I currently had was a Series 1 or 2, one of the very first ones. So I wanted to treat myself to a late Christmas present, and I got myself a new Apple Watch that I use all the time. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you see me using my Apple Watch all the time. So I wanted to embark and get one. So let's continue to unbox. So as we can see, as I'm opening it up, it comes with pretty much every Apple product comes with. But the crazy thing about it, guys, is the new watches and the new phone do not come with the butt, like the charging port that goes into the wall. That's so weird. Like, it's something new that they said that they're doing to like save plastic and save the planet. If you guys know, let me know down below. But it does come with the actual charging cord, the Apple Watch, and a band. But yeah, so weird that it doesn't come with the actual part that goes in the wall. So here's the charger, which I have multiple of these, one at home, one at work. So it's nice to have an extra. And then of course, here's the watch. So the watch did come with a band, which is what I'm going to show you guys right here. I do like the Apple Watch bands. I think that they're really comfortable and they're silicone, but 9 times out of 10, I'll be headed over to Amazon to purchase something a little more cuter. But it did come with this band, and it comes with 2 sizes for smaller wrists and larger wrists. And I really do like that they are thoughtful enough to include that. I think this is gray. Yeah, I got the gray one. I usually get a watch that matches my phone, but I decided to get black. And here's just that charger cord again. So here is what you all have been waiting on. This is the actual Apple Watch, and I got the 40mm. I'm used to the 38mm, so I just got the 40 because I didn't want anything too big, and this is the perfect size for my wrist. You guys know I am kind of petite, so the 40 is really nice and looks really nice on my arm. I am a little perturbed that these devices don't come with at least 50% charge, but I really like it. It's really sleek. And this is the band that I opted to wear. This is a silicone band, and I really like this one because to me, it feels better than the one that actually came with Apple, and I just like the clasp that comes with it. I think it's very nice, sleek, and elegant. And the band that I got with Apple was gray, and I particularly leaned towards black, so it was really nice and really easy to set up. Have it all unboxed and ready to go. I charged it up a little bit, and now I am going to sync it and set it up. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you guys want more videos about my watch, like my favorite apps or what do I find interesting, leave me a comment down below. I'm gonna stop talking, let you guys enjoy the setup, and if you make it all the way to the end of the video, drop the little Apple Watch down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you like unboxings, let me know. Deuces.